It does not have a happy ending for you.
I forgot how much you like to talk.
Here you go. As a reward for your foolishly noble honesty, you may have the privilege of being crushed beneath the weight of my full and unbridled power.
Frieza's finally showing us his true power. That's right. That's all we've been talking about. It's not our fault you don't listen. That is awesome. What? It can't be. No, how could Frieza change that much? His power, it's off the scale. Seems Frieza's more of a monster now than ever.
This can't really be happening, can it? It's all a nightmare, right? Hey, could you cut that out? How many cameras do you have? This is official business. Don't interfere.
It's sad for your world, but I've got a galaxy to protect.
What camera? I don't have a camera. No, I just staring at the time.
From the shock in their every gasp, I can tell our little spectator seems quite astonished by my new form.
Believe me, Frieza, no one's more surprised than I am.
I know Gold's a bit gauche, but I wanted to ensure you grasp my new position at the very top of the universe's pecking order.